Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Budget Low Carb. So the last few episodes we have been talking about how do you buy low carb options, for lunch, for dinner and things like that. But what if you're in a pinch and you feel like eating dessert and you want to make it yourself? So today we are going to have a very simple recipe on how to make low carb mug cake. Yes, so what you need, very important, a microwave. Yes, and other ingredients. So how do you make this mug cake? It's actually very simple. First off, 3 tablespoons of almond flour, 2 tablespoons of, this case, erythritol. You can use other sugar alternative, but erythritol is good. It's a Singapore brand, not sponsored. 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 1 egg, and stir it well. You can do this straight in the mug, but I'm doing this in a bowl so that you can see what's happening. Try to get all the lumps out. Get a mug. Pour it into the mug. You don't have to be too neat because it will rise anyways. So it's fine to actually do it in the cup. I always do it in the cup. One less things to wash. So the more keto you are, the less you put. There are keto friendly options out there, but yeah, I don't have them at the moment. So don't mess up good for perfect. I'm just going to leave them on top and maybe poke them a little. They are going to sink all the way to the bottom and it's going to be yummy. So go on high. Put your mug cake. 60 seconds. I like to take them out every 30 seconds just to take a look. This is 30 seconds. Just to let you see. Ta-da! Okay, 30 more seconds. Here is your mug cake. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, pour this out. You can jiggle it a little and pour it out. These are actually the chocolate that actually melted through. Chocolate chip. So you can actually play around with the microwave in terms of seconds. If you want it drier, maybe more than 60 seconds. If you like it fudgier or wetter, less than 60 seconds. So play around with it and find something that you like. Also, another thing is you can actually change. If you don't like chocolate chips, you can actually put things like peanut butter. So peanut butter works well with this as well. So experiment, have fun, and it just takes 60 seconds to make a mug cake. Not very difficult, and it's really affordable. And that's it for today's episode, and montage.